media, ladies and gentlemen, Visambul Vinaka, and good afternoon to you all. With reference to the press release this morning by the Ministry of Education on the Fiji Year 12 certificate examination papers, I wish to inform the public that we are aware of the incident in a secondary school in Singatoka yesterday morning, whereby a break-in took place in the office of the head of school. On the same note, I wish to inform that the Ministry of Education has provisions in place to address such unforeseen incidents. According to the reports received from the Nandronga Navosa Education Office, and upon completion of evidence gathered by CID Singatoka and Lautoka branch and site clearance by the police, the following papers are confirmed to be compromised. Computer, we had one question paper missing. Vosavakaviti, we had one question paper and one answer book. Chemistry, one answer book, and technical drawing, one question paper. The Fiji Police Force was immediately notified, and an investigation commenced to identify the individuals involved and to assess the extent of the breach. As per the preliminary investigations carried out by the Nandronga Navosa Education Office staff and the Singatoka Police, can be ascertained that the head of school has breached a few standard operating procedures in accordance to the Policy on Examination Assessment 2017. It has been highlighted that the head of school insisted to the senior education advisor, Nandronga Navosa, on storing the national examination papers in his school office instead of the district education office. Subsequently, upon discovering the break-in yesterday morning, the head of school failed to first report the incident to the Nandronga Navosa Education Office. An internal investigation panel will be established by the Ministry to carry out an investigation to ascertain whether any breaches of Ministry policies occurred on the part of the head of school or the school. An emergency meeting was also convened by the Acting Permanent Secretary for Education, involving key senior staff, to formulate the Ministry's plan of action following the examination breach confirmation. To address this breach, the Ministry of Education staff have already prepared supplementary examination papers for the compromised 4 subjects. I assure all Year 12 students that the Fiji Year 12 certificate examination will proceed as scheduled, and there will be no amendments to the initial examination timetable. The Examination and Assessment Unit is conducting a comprehensive review of its examination, storage, and security protocols across all schools to prevent a recurrence of such incidents. I reiterate to all heads of schools to strictly adhere to the policy on external examinations and assessment and the standard operating procedures in place, so that there is no repeat of such incidents in the future. The Ministry of Education remains committed to upholding the integrity of the national examination system and ensuring that every student in Fiji sits their examination under fair, secure, and transparent conditions. Naka.